because it's big and it's for full length and for passion and everything they need, so that's why they make it indirect, easy to assemble. Otherwise, for you, it's a little bit problem putting the
Oh
boards,
yeah,
you
I know. So I keep them.
Especially that bracket is very big.
Yeah.
Not compared to this.
Yeah. I know
I'll show you
completely.
here.
So that's why, thank you. That's why I started to look for the umbrellas. I said, okay, fine, deep umbrella,
Yes.
Maybe that's my solution. But somehow, I don't know, I'm not so,
Happy with the umbrellas?
yeah, I don't know
Have you
why.
seen-
No, that's okay. I don't know why I'm not.
Some people like it if they have to take it outdoors,
Yeah.
so it's more easy.
It is
And
easy.
especially if they're ladies or
Sure.
photographers, so it's
Yeah.
in villas or baby shoots, it's just a big
Yeah,
umbrella.
it's easy. I think,
So it's easier and you finish the shoot faster because just to open it and
yeah.
this is more professional.
Yeah, I know.
And the second thing, when you open this, it gives an aura. People think, oh, you're about the bracket, it's sort of sales. It gives a nice.
Yeah. This is the rubber. And then, okay.
Yes, and you have to put the rods all the time.
This is a Pro Photo bracket for the smaller one,
For the smaller one.
120.
Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy, and you have
This is
to
not portable.
plug it in every time.
All the time.
So then, if it's direct, I better use Pro Photo own
Or
modifiers.
Elinchrom, we have 100 centimeters.
Yeah.
But you must buy the.
No, yeah.